we are going to check out the Realme Buds T310, a pair of wireless earbuds that performs solid at an affordable price. But the big question is, do they actually deliver? Let's check it out. Firstly, let's talk about the build quality. The matte black finish on this unit looks sleek and feels quite durable, and the mix of matte and glossy finish on the earbuds adds the overall appeal. But if you're planning to buy the white or any glossy models, just keep in mind that they may show some scratches little easier. Coming to the design, these buds looks compact and stylish as well, and this included ear tips offers a great fit as well. Because of this compact design, you can easily fit this in your pocket. Coming to the most important part, the sound. On paper, the Realme Buds T310 looks quite promising, and I'm happy to report that they sound as good as they claim. I'm using this earbud since 1.5 days, and for me, vocals sounded crisp and clear. The bass in the sound is very deep that the midtones are hijacked by that bass, and it does a good job of cutting the regular background noise, as it can noise cancel up to 46 decibels. However, you might hear some ambient sounds in extremely noisy conditions like in traffic jam or in market. So you can hear some sounds, that too in extreme noise conditions. And one of the strong points for Realme T310 is its user-friendly app. And in the Realme Link app, you can adjust the noise cancellation levels. There are 3 levels: mild, normal and max. So you can adjust the noise cancellation levels. There are also 4 sound modes in the app. There is a deep bass, pure bass and original. The good thing is you can also customize the equalizer settings, and the only downside is that the app requires you to log in with your email ID. And you can also connect these buds to 2 devices simultaneously. If you multitask daily, if you regularly juggle between phone and the laptop, this feature is really helpful for you. And this earbuds comes with some extra features as well, including spatial audio. This spatial audio gives you an immersive sound experience. However, this mode might not suit all types of content. There's also a gaming mode with a low latency. In case if you're playing the game, you can turn on the game mode. It will reduce the latency while you're firing, while you're playing games. So you'll feel less latency in it. Got 45 millisecond of low latency level. This is the best you can get in this price segment. And coming to the battery life, Realme claims up to 40 hours playback time. In earbuds, if ANC on, it is 6 hours. However, in my testing, I've got 4 hours of listening with ANC on. And to sum it up, the Realme Buds T310 offers a good value for money. The sound quality is impressive and they're comfortable to wear for long periods. And the range of features these have in this price segments, it's hard to beat. While a few things like the app login or the lack of in-ear detection could have been better. And these are the minor issues when you look at the overall package. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you got any questions on Realme T310, drop a comment. I'll definitely reply to them. I'll meet you in next one.